The Supreme Court of India has sent one of its strongest messages yet on the police crackdown during the nationwide student protest over the NEET paper leak. The court says the right to peaceful protest is a constitutional guarantee, and police cannot resort to lathi-charge simply because there is an agitation. At the same time, the court also made it clear that protesters cannot take the law into their own hands either. The hearing comes after weeks of controversy surrounding the 20th July student protest in New Delhi over the alleged NEET paper leak. The opposition has accused police of using excessive force, including the reported use of pellet guns against demonstrators marching towards the parliament. Several petitions have also alleged police violence in different states. One of them claims that a police officer in Bihar used an AK-47 during action against peaceful protesters. Another petition alleges that protest volunteer Junaid Malik and members of his family in New Delhi were assaulted by the police. The Supreme Court has not ruled on these allegations yet, but it says they are serious enough to warrant closer examination. Chief Justice of India Surya Kant said the material placed before the court indicates that there is, at least at first glance, a prima facie case involving violence. That, the court said, is precisely why all these petitions are being heard together. The bench observed that whoever committed excesses or took the law into their own hands should be brought to justice. It added that once established protocols are violated, the law must take its course. The judges also indicated that a transparent inquiry by an independent commission may be the best way to establish these facts. But the court wants that inquiry to do more than just assign blame. It also wants it to help develop a standard protocol for handling large public protests in the future. In other words, this case isn't only about what happened on 20th July, it's also about preventing similar controversies during the future demonstration. The centre, however, told the Supreme Court that the picture is more complicated. Appearing for the Union Government and the Delhi Police, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that if police personnel used excessive force, they should certainly be punished. But he also pointed out that more than 250 police personnel were injured during the same protest. As Mehta put it, there is one truth, another truth, and then there is another truth. And only a proper inquiry can establish what really happened. That prompted another important question from the bench. Who attacked the police? Were they students or were they outsiders? The government responded that it does not believe students were responsible for those attacks on the police. Instead, it argued that the violence may have been carried out by miscreants or uninvited guests who infiltrated the protest. Justice Joymala Bagchi also cautioned against blaming an entire movement for the actions of a few individuals. As he observed, there are always people who try to discredit a peaceful crowd. For now, the court's position is balanced and unequivocal. If police exceeded their powers, they must face actions. But if protesters or outsiders resorted to violence, they too must be held accountable.